This month, we are celebrating seafood, starting this week with a deliciously easy and quick and very tasty prawn curry. Hello and welcome back to J&J's Food Basket. A prawn curry cooked in coconut milk is a delicacy special to the Indian subcontinent. It's a dish you try once and you will die to have again. For this recipe, you will find the list of ingredients in the description box below. Let's get cooking. So that was another quick video taking you step by step through a very easy and tasty recipe using ingredients available in your own kitchen. Do try it out. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to J&J's Food Basket. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest at J&JS Food Basket. Have a great weekend ahead.